Bird food is food eaten by birds. The most important use of bird feed globally is as feed for domesticated poultry. However, people also make or buy bird food to feed to pet birds or use in bird feeders for wild birds. Bird food can be natural or commercial. Ingredients reflect the species of bird being fed, which include fruit, seed, and nectar eaters, and carnivores. Nectar-eating birds draw their nutrients from flowers, while carnivores subsist variously on insects, worms, and small wildlife, including other birds and their young. Feeding wild birds contains the risk the animals may become reliant on the feeders, rather than going hunting for insects and the natural diets. Bird food can also potentially attract rodents. Types: natural seed. Black sunflower seeds are highly recommended for use in bird feeders because they attract a wide variety of birds, have a high ratio of meat to shell, and are high in fat content. Other common bird seeds include Niger or thistle seed, a favorite of goldfinches, millet for sparrows and juncos, and safflower for cardinals, among others. Non-seed suet is recommended for insect-eating birds like nuthatches and woodpeckers. Artificial nectar, essentially sugar water, attracts hummingbirds. Bread and kitchen scraps are often fed to ducks and gulls. Chickens are commonly fed maize, wheat, barley, sorghum, and milling byproducts in a mixture traditionally called chicken scratch. These seeds and non-seed supplies are commonly obtained as byproducts on farms, but can also be bought from independent retailers. Commercial, non-farm commercial bird food is widely available for feeding wild and domesticated birds, both seed combinations and pellets. When feeding wild birds, the Royal Society for the Protection of Birds suggests that it be done year-round, with different mixes of nutrients being offered each season. Selections should have additional fat content in the winter months, and additional proteins in the form of nuts, seeds, and dried worms in summer when birds are changing their plumage and may be molting. Farmed birds fed commercial bird food typically are given very specific scientifically designed pre-blended feed. Examples of commercial bird food for chickens include chick starter medicated crumbles, chick grower crumbles, egg layer mash, egg layer pellet, egg layer crumbles, egg producer pellet, and broiler make-med crumbles. Pellet crumbles are often prepared for tiny chicks. Mash is more finely ground.